With Black Friday comes great discounts. Pick Forex Tester, an ultimate Forex trading helper at a super low price. Forex Tester recreates the real Forex events for you to practice trading. Open and close deals as much as you need to perfect your money-making skills. And you will lose no money on mistakes. This is a simulator, remember? As a beginner, you can think of it as a game that trains you to become a pro trainer. As a seasoned wolf on the Forex oceans, you will test your trading strategies. Test multiple strategies at the same time and make the simulation go super fast to get the results. That's why it's already better than a demo account. Use these features to craft a powerful strategy that actually works in the market. Risk management. It calculates the potential risk and reward from the deal you're about to open. Or this one, Strategy Optimizer. It uses advanced AI to find weak spots in your strategy and offer you better parameters. Oh, and of course, this one, Easy Forex Builder. Build your strategy in 1 minute. No programming skills are needed. Sounds complicated? I got this. Forex Tester has a super fun interactive tutorial that will give you the wisdom of not only how to use this program, but how the Forex market works as a whole. Hurry to get the full version with the lifetime subscription. You will save good money with the Black Friday discount. Wow, this will already be your successful trade. Buy now, and may the Forex be with you, always.